Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, welcome back. If you take a look around, you can see all the snow that we have here. And today it's actually a little bit nice out. I think it's like -4, but it's not really that cold. And we have a new toy here. This is a pair of glasses, the Rayneo Air 3S. They look like a pair of sunglasses, and it allows you to view a screen that's apparently equivalent to 201 inches. So I thought this would be a good day to bring out the Neo, and we brought the RC2, and these glasses will plug into the RC2, and we're gonna fly FPV style. So stick around. Okay, so these are the glasses. We're gonna put the bag aside here. I'm gonna just pull out the RC2 controller. Now, I did try these glasses on the original screen controller. I think it's the RC, the first one DJI put out, and I didn't get any image. So I think you're only going to be able to use the RC2, and these glasses are USB-C. They don't need any charging. You just basically plug it into the controller, and whatever's on the screen here is going to appear on your glasses. So let's get started. All right, so these are the glasses, and they're very unique. They can plug into pretty much any monitor, as long as it has video out with USB-C. I did get another device called the Rayneo Pocket TV. I'm still playing around with that, but at some point I'll show you how that works, and the glasses plug into that, and it's like being in the theater. Now, with these glasses, as you can see, they look like regular sunglasses. And what I like about them is when I'm flying, it has, you can see things in front of you. So you have spatial awareness. Plus, you're going to see that large screen. This is the first time I'm using these to fly, so hopefully they're going to work. They're very unique. On the glasses, on the left-hand side, they have a button here, and this controls the volume, because this has 4 speakers. I don't know if you can see them, but here, and here, and here, and here on the glasses. So it has audio. So you have 4 speakers there. On the left-hand side here, it has an up and down for your volume. And on the right-hand side, it has for brightness. So if it's too bright, you can turn the brightness down. It also has a function button here, which will bring up a menu. And in that menu, you can have it in whisper mode, so nobody really hears the volume from the speakers. You can also select game mode, movie mode. It's got 3 or 4 different choices. But today, all we're gonna do is plug it into the RC2 and fly with it. Now, this is also OLED, and it's giving you 1200 nits. So this will be kind of cool in the summertime when your screen is kind of glary and you can't really see the screen. So I think this is going to be a benefit. So let's plug it in and let's turn on the controller and let's get the Neo in the air. Now we have our screen in front of us. The screen, you know, I don't know, it looks pretty big. It looks pretty big. But we can see everything in this screen. I can see all the telemetry on the bottom. I can see everything across the top. I might have to position it down my nose just a little bit because the far right corner was a little hard to see. But anyways, I want to get it in the right position. Okay, let's do a takeoff and let's fly this just using the glasses.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Oh, this is so cool, guys. This is so cool, guys. This is like a giant screen in front of me. Oh, wow. I wish you guys could see this. Oh, this is so cool to fly. You know, these glasses are pretty light, so it's not like goggles. You can fly the Neo 2 with goggles, but this is a whole new experience. Yeah, I'm really liking this. So, yeah, we're going to be flying a lot more, I think, with this. Take a look at all the snow we have. Yeah. Geez, look at these snowbanks. Yeah, I'm not getting any breakup in the glasses. Well, let's hit record. And let's do a screen record. Sorry guys, we were flying there without recording. So anyways, we're in the parking lot. We flew across from over there where we are, and we forgot to hit record. We were just so excited about trying out these glasses. But anyway, we're recording now. We're screen recording, and everything is nice on the screen. Yeah, very, very nice. This is very cool. You know, a huge screen. Oh, okay, we're gonna go over here. Oh, we almost hit some branches there. There's not much of a wind today, so I thought it would be a great day to try this. Oh, these glasses are so comfortable. So comfortable. You know, wearing the goggles and flying the Neo is kind of cool, but this is so much better, you know, because you're getting a 201-inch screen in front of you. You can see absolutely everything. This is so cool. And 1200 nits, so it's nice and bright. Nice and bright. This is so cool. You can see everything. Oh, there's a bit of a wind. I feel the wind pushing the Neo 2 around. Oh, satellite positioning. We have 20 satellites. So, but now a wind is picked up. There was no wind when I first sat down here. This is so cool, guys. This is so cool. Here's a snowman. My last video, when I was doing the video for Acarasho there, I seen the couple filming this, or building this, and I filmed it. Yeah, very cool. Very cool snowman. Okay, let's go up in here. How's our battery? We are at 45%. Yeah. Yeah, and you know, if I tilt my head down, I can look forward. I can see right across the field right now, looking out through the bottom of these glasses. So I have great spatial awareness. So if anybody's around, you know, it's different with the goggles. You can't really see anybody. This is great. You can fly FPV and actually take a look around. You know, you can see everything around you just by looking down. Yeah, this is so cool, guys. So cool. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these. Yeah, the Rayneo Air 3S. And with all of these AR, XR glasses out there, I would say these are probably the least expensive. And to have like an entertainment center, you know, that you can watch movies with these glasses, but to do FPV is even cooler. Yeah, it's very cool. Okay, we're at 32%. At 30%, I like to bring her in, and we're gonna pop another battery in and fly around a little bit more. This is so much fun. Oh my God, the things that you can see. The things that you can see when the screen is huge in front of you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's get her to land.
Landing.
So cool. I should have brought my gloves down. I didn't. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna do another short flight because it's really cold out here, and then I think I'm gonna call it a day. But I was pretty excited to show you guys these glasses, and that you can you know, fly the Neo 2. You know, you can fly pretty much any drone that you're going to use the RC2 with. The Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro. Yeah, this is very cool. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to put this screen in front of the camera. I doubt you're going to see anything, but let's give it a try. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. I'm behind the camera and I can see some of that. So I'm hoping the camera can see the same thing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that is so cool. That is so cool, guys. Hopefully the camera picks that up so you can see that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. If you like this video and you want to see more from the Rayneo Air 3S, let me know in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. So cool.